Nothing sleepy. So hot. I think I need a juice.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's so hot. I need some juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
How do you want juice? Sugary juice? Really?
Yeah. Right.
Look here, what's going on.
What are you making?
There's some varieties of tamburi going on for my kitchen today. It's gonna be exciting. It's a great cool and perfect for summer. So don't go for
Tamburi?
juice. Yeah, tamburi.
What's that?
Oh, you don't know what tamburi is?
Okay, enough drama, guys. I think live is starting, okay?
Good, it would work. Okay. Anyways.
Anyways,
So here we have Shubha. Go
hey
ahead.
guys, Shubha Jay here from New Jersey. I live in New Jersey, Bridgewater, New Jersey, with my chef husband Ajaya, and here I have my nephew Sachin
Hi, Sachin here.
and Ajay in the background, so doing all the
So-
videography. And I have my 7-year-old son Agam, so who enjoys my cooking. So yeah, so today I have planned for a great tamburi recipes. So as it's very hot outside.
Nice. So let's start with maybe. Why don't you tell me what a tamburi is?
So tamburi. So
Mhm.
here it goes. So tampada huli tamburi.
Okay.
So in Kannada, tampu means cool, a cooler.
Mhm.
So anything that keeps your body cool. Tampu. Huli means any gravy or a curry. So tampada huli tamburi.
Mm.
So very popular in Karavali and Malnad region.
Mm-hmm.
So and in a multi-course meal, you see tamburi as a first meal that is served in the side. So
Mm.
first course.
Oh, okay.
That's because it's great cooler, and
Mhm.
also in the multi-course meal there will be a lot of other stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
spicy, fried, sweet. So it's
Mhm.
kind of prep your body, for eating all the heavy meal and great digestion aid too.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
So tamburi, you told it comes from mainly South Indian cuisine, right?
South Indian, mostly in Karavali, South Karnataka, and
Okay.
also Malnad region. So
Okay.
yeah, it's very popular there. So they
Mhm.
prepare tamburi. We prepare tamburi with anything and everything available, and it requires a very minimal ingredient
Mm-hmm.
and such a soothing and you can say it's a medicated drink. So you can
Mm.
either have it along with the rice, or you can just drink as is, like a soup, or a bowl of comfort dish.
Nice. Well then, maybe I think we should get started with it.
Sure. Yeah.
So what's the first thing that you're gonna show us?
So I have planned varieties of tamburi, so
Mhm.
all healthy ones from my kitchen. Very simple, so anybody can do this. And
Mhm.
heart of the dish for this is buttermilk.
Hmm.
So I have blended this buttermilk from my new Instapot Ace Plus. Wonderful. Less than 10 seconds, a jar of buttermilk is ready. So.
Nice.
And yeah, like I said, so tamburi can be prepared with anything and everything that is easily available in your pantry. Like be it a seed, a veggie, a peel, or
Mm-hmm.
any of these. So let's start. So I
Yeah.
have everything set up to make tamburi. I have planned for around 8 to 10. So let's see how fast
Wow.
we can go.
That's
The first one is kadle tamburi. It's
Okay.
chana dal.
Mhm.
So I soaked it for like an hour. And chana dal, as you know, it's a great source of plant-based protein, and very inexpensive way to incorporate this great lentil in your diet. It has a very low glycemic index and great for diabetics. So let's start with this. So I have soaked this for an hour. I'm gonna and also I forgot to mention one thing. All tamburi requires, like I said, the buttermilk is the heart of the dish, and the next would be grated coconut. So
Okay.
coconut is must in the recipe. So do you want me to wait for any more people to join? Do we have some?
I think we have 20 people.
We have 20
Nice.
people. Okay. Hi everybody. Hi.
So
I don't
5
know
people
what's
came.
Everybody's message. So okay, let's start. Let me start. So you want me to wait for a couple of minutes?
Well, maybe we can wait for 2 minutes.
Okay.
So hope you guys are having a good weekend.
So whoever is watching, big hi from my kitchen.
So in fact, the entire technical team of this Tambuli special today is a set of 3 engineers trying to engineer out a set of 10 Tambulis. So hope you guys like it, and
Yeah, let's.
as we all know, as you all of you know, Shubha is a wonderful cook.
Thank you.
So I'm waiting for all the 10 yummy Tambulis.
Sure. Let's start. And another thing about this tambuli is it does not need much cooking. So most of these can be made without any cooking. I mean, cooking in the sense you don't need a stove. So just
So is this a kind of a sour dish or a spicy dish?
yeah,
or
because
sweet
it's a
dish?
sour buttermilk is used. It's and another thing, so don't make it very spicy because, like I said, it's a good digestion aid and it's served first in a multi-course meal. You need to make sure that it is lower on the spicier side and non-greasy. Don't use a lot of ghee or
Yeah.
oil.
Because
so you need to make sure about it.
I haven't come across a lot of dishes like these which are also slightly spicy but also a coolant.
Correct.
Because usually anything that's spicy is not a coolant. But
That's
this is a
correct.
very special dish.
And
So I
it's
think
perfect for summer.
yeah, it's perfect for summer. I think
That's
yeah,
correct.
that's very
And
nice.
you don't find this in any of the restaurant. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
And Kadle Tamblu is my favorite.
And Kadle Tambuli is my husband's favorite, and I forgot to mention I learned this from my mother-in-law, who just makes tambuli out of anything and everything she finds it in and around. So thanks, Atte. Let's start.
Okay.
So I'm gonna add the soaked chana dal and some grated coconut here. So and another thing, this tambuli will be slightly runny, so I'm gonna add more
Okay.
water to blend it. And this tastes good with red chili, so you can also add green chili or pepper. But like I said, coolant, I'm trying to avoid usage of pepper. But if you're doing this in the winter time, just
Right.
go ahead and add some pepper. That gives a great flavor. So,
Right.
and it will be on the less spicier side, so I'm just gonna add 1 red chili. So let's go ahead and add some water. That's good enough. And I have the salt. I'm using a crystal salt. That's my favorite. That gives wonderful flavor. I'm not a fan of
The powder.
powdered one. So this, my father-in-law, he gets a big bag of it from India. So I use it throughout the year. So I added some
Right.
salt and this is my new goodie. So it's wonderful. So let's see how well it does the job. So I just dumped everything, and wonderful thing about this is it can even blend very, very, very less quantity. So wonderfully well.
Wow.
So let's start. So it has a blend functionality. I'm just gonna put blend and then start. So I think this is good.
So you
As you see,
keep
15
the
seconds.
so you keep the consistency a little runny. Is it?
Yes, this will be little runny, so you can just take it as
Take
a
it
soup,
soup.
and
Nice.
it goes.
Sure.
It's better with the rice, but yeah, you can feel free. So this is good now. So I'm just gonna. You see the consistency? Looking great. Looking
Nice.
great. Now the last step would be to add some buttermilk. Mix it.
Take a spoon.
Just mix whisked buttermilk.
Wow.
That's it. It's
That
looking
looks-
great. So you saw it didn't take more than a couple minutes to make entire dish. So
That's
just
super
great.
fast.
So the last is a tempering, but what I'm gonna do is I will prepare 2-3 tambuli and then I'll make a tempering at once. So that's
Sure.
will be probably faster for us. So this is looking great, and I'm gonna keep it aside.
Woohoo! One done.
So
That was pretty quick.
that was very quick. So I'm just gonna. And good thing about this blender is it also has a self-cleaning. I don't have to really worry a lot about cleaning, but now I
Wow.
just rinsed it because I'm gonna reuse the blender for some other. So
Shubha's cleaning is faster than self-cleaning.
yeah, that is what everyone says. And especially my in-laws, they really adore me for my speed.
Wow.
Yeah, I get a lot of compliments for my speed because I don't get into complicated dishes. So my dishes are usually very simple because I have my patience is also very less, so I can't really sweat in my kitchen for a long time. But yet I want good, healthy. I'm a health nut, so I want healthy food. Yet it should be done like in a jiffy, right? So yeah, now you have been.
So,
You have seen my cooking, so you know how I do it. I don't all complicated dishes, deep frying, and needs lot of chopping. Everything goes to my husband, who's a great cook, especially Indo-Chinese, chats, and all international dishes from my kitchen, from my husband Ajay. So thank you.
So I have just been hogging and hogging and hogging
I know,
all of this
I
spectrum
know.
of dishes. They both are just wonderful cooks.
So
So, Shubha, what was your first tambuli?
honestly, I don't remember that.
Okay.
Because I grew up in a village,
Mm-hmm.
a small town, not a village, a small town near Tirthalli.
Mm-hmm.
Kuvempu, you know Tirthalli,
Kuvempu was born there,
Kuvempu
yes.
was born there. So Malnad and beautiful. So we have a big areca plant.
Mhm.
So there, like my mom, I mean, I don't remember days where I have not eaten tambali. So
Wow.
whether it could be summer, winter, or doesn't matter what, but easily available ingredients
Mhm.
like all herbs and peels and so yeah.
Nice.
I grew up eating like that. I don't remember when exactly I started doing this tambali, but yeah, that's definitely after I
Well,
got
so
married.
which is your favorite tambuli out of all the 10?
Yeah, this one is my favorite. The next one that we're going to
Whoa.
talk about, Nellikai or
Wow.
Amla, a great source for vitamin C.
Mm-hmm.
So I just recommend everybody, especially in this COVID situation, prevention is better than cure. So you could do a lot more after you get some problem. We can treat in several hundreds of ways, right? But keeping your body immune
Probably there is
system-
no right way just yet.
Yeah, there's no right way just yet, but I'm not just talking about COVID
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
I'm talking about
Mm-hmm.
in general any disease, right? So
Right.
this has a great source of vitamin C.
Yeah.
So more vitamin C, the more immunity your body is gonna get.
Yeah, I think
So-
this is what is the need of the hour and of all the
And
dishes.
here in the US, I don't get this fresh
Mhm.
as often, so not all the season, but
So
I
can
just-
use the frozen one.
I use the frozen one. It tastes great. And also this one, if
But
you
the
are
desi
in
one
India-
is the better one, right?
Desi one, there is something like better Nellikai. They are actually very small ones, so that you get in Karnataka, probably in all over India. I'm not very sure what's
Right.
it called in English, but this amla, it's great. It has loads of antioxidants,
Mm-hmm.
and if you consume more vitamin C, you can keep all diseases in the body.
Right.
That's the key. And yeah, and always right, don't take supplements.
Right.
Feed your body with a natural food as much as you can. So
Absolutely.
that's the
Can't
best
agree more. Yes.
way. So let's check what the comments are. So,
Okay. Yes.
so I'm just gonna finally chop these. These are frozen. I just thawed it for like an hour. That is good enough. Now I have chopped these finally.
Mm-hmm.
And,
So we're gonna add it.
correct. And also for tamburi, right? There is no hard and fast rule. You can always mix and match. Like see
Right.
here, I have like red chilies, green chilies, and some sendge mint. So it's a curd chili. This my mother-in-law. She prepared it in India, and she during their last visit she got me.
Wow.
So you can add that also as a spice agent. And also pepper. For some of the recipes in specific, I want to use a pepper because it gives a great
Yes.
flavor. But because it's summer, I'm just trying to avoid pepper as much as
Right.
possible. So,
That's
like,
dangerous.
there is no hard and fast rule, and it's completely foolproof. So, you
Right.
can't go wrong with it. Next will be Nellikai.
Yes. So starting with the second one now. But the table looks beautiful. It looks like a
Yeah.
artist's palette.
Right. So now, while I do this, my husband gonna read the comments and then try to answer to questions if at all there are any.
Mm-hmm.
So gonna put this chopped here, and again
Right.
coconut goes without saying. So there is no.
Let me go there and take a look at.
Yeah, I
What
think Sachin
everybody's
can
saying.
help with the comments.
Hold it. Wow. So looks like so many of them are already excited. So
He's my great helper.
So many of them say hi, and Uma says amla, yummy. So she likes amla. So I think she likes it. And Vasudha Girish says thanks, and then
Thank you.
so many of them are joining, and I think it's
Okay.
gonna
So now
get a lot of track. So
I added amla again. Like I said, the coconut is the key ingredient again. So I'm just gonna add grated coconut. And for amla, I just want to add some tulsi, basically.
okay,
So it is a great flavor. So
Mhm.
it's a homegrown tulsi. So I'm just trying to add here and there wherever I can. So it's great for health.
right.
So add that, and for this, I'm gonna add a little bit of jeera.
Mm-hmm.
You can also roast it and put jeera, but I like it raw. So
Right.
just putting that way. And for this one, I'm adding just a couple of pepper. Mensinkadu in Kannada. And homegrown chili. These are great. These red varieties from my garden. It's great. So I'm just gonna put one. And some salt.
Okay.
And I'm gonna just blend with the buttermilk.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Somewhat. And this will be really runny. You can drink like a juice. So, oh, you are looking for a juice. Here we have. Sorry, I'm just gonna slightly wash this because it has traces of my kadle tambli. That's okay.
Nice.
So you saw, right, what all I
Yes.
added? So it's like I said, mix and match. Keep trying and
Right.
different. And every time
Mm-hmm.
you might see the base ingredients same, but
Right.
it flavor differs.
Right.
Every tambali you're gonna taste all of this today.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's the best thing about tambuli,
That's
right?
the best thing about tambali.
Although everything is made from Mosru, it's
Yeah.
like totally
yeah, made
different,
from yogurt, yeah.
right?
It's
Each
like,
tambuli is totally different from another
And
one.
my child, he doesn't like to eat curd or buttermilk.
Mm-hmm.
So the best way is I do this kadle tambali,
Mm-hmm.
protein packed.
Mm-hmm.
And another thing, kadle tambali, it has a very low glycemic index. For diabetic people also, it's very good. So
Right.
he actually, I just give him a bowl and he just drinks like a soup. So like perfect.
No, I don't do that.
So you do that. That is the one. Yeah, that one, not this one. Yeah, okay, so now let's blend it.
Yes.
You can stop it. I think it's done. That's looking good. So done.
So what's the tempering happening here?
So basically for amla and kadle tambli, the coconut oil tempering. It gives a great flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Again, usually for yogurt based dishes, go with butter or ghee. Tastes great with the flavor. But coconut oil also gives a great flavor. So I'm just
Nice.
trying coconut oil for these two tamblis.
Right.
So I think that's the beauty of this tambulis, right? So you can actually try with different tempering, and that's the
Right.
customer.
Yeah.
Right.
So this looks like, the base is just buttermilk. This is like a white canvas, and you can choose whatever you want. Like she's making 10 different kinds. It's like painting on a canvas. So even the slightest of variation gives you a very new kind of tambuli, and I think it's like very tunable. Like you can make the spicy a little more, you can make it cool a little more, you can make it sweet a little more based on your choice. So I think this is a very,
Yeah, right.
interesting dish.
So let me quickly make a tadka. And we have a great singer with me here. A lot of people must have seen him on TV, and he sang for a lot of movies too. So great singer. So I want him to hum like a couple of lines maybe of any of the song of your choice while I do a quick tempering.
Well-
Tempering is just very simple. Let me just quick coconut oil and some jeera
Okay.
and some mustard seeds.
Mm-hmm.
Real quick, and curry leaves optional, but yeah, I like to add curry leaves for anything and everything. And so it's turmeric, very little turmeric.
Wow.
Turmeric and I'm missing something. And then this curd chili. It's great. So when you get a bite of it, very good to bite. Yeah, go ahead. So this is my tempering.
How do you actually choose what kind of tempering you need? Like, is there any specific choice that you make? Like, I need maybe jeera, or maybe mustard or something, or is it based on your choice? Like,
Based on, it's
Okay.
completely personal choice.
okay,
And you can just mix and match. There is no hard and fast rule.
Nice.
Just go ahead.
nice, very nice.
But basically, jeera and mustard seeds are key ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
And butter, ghee, or coconut oil. Don't use regular oil. It doesn't taste that good.
Nice.
At least that's not mine.
You know, looking at all of this,
Yeah,
I remember one song that I used to listen to when I was very small, which is basically in Kannada, and it is something that we used to sing about eating.
Tamales are ready.
ಆಚೆ ಮನೆಯ ಸುಬ್ಬಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಏಕಾದಶಿ ಉಪವಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಂತಾಳಷ್ಟೇ ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪಾಯಸ. So this is one of my very favorite songs because you know it used to talk about all the kinds of breakfasts and dishes that an old lady called Subbamma used to eat on a day of fasting. So looking at all this colorful and yummy food, I remember those lines, and I think that's very memorable. I think many of you might know that song.
So now our Subbamma is going live with Tambulis.
So yeah.
And like you can see
Well,
here,
thank you. And Raghu is saying that he wants a song by Sachin, please. So Sachin, you can just think of another song, maybe like a couple minutes while I get ready for my next recipe.
I think we should probably do a Sachin separate.
Yeah,
live.
this is a cooking show. I don't want Sachin to get all the attention, but yeah, I'm just being very generous and let you sing. Okay, so yeah, that's.
and as you guys can see that, unlike other dishes, she's not at all using the stuff, which is I think a remarkable thing, because most of the dishes we need to boil something or salt something for a very long time and so many things like that. And I think this dish is something very special because all that you need, if you have all the ingredients, you just mix them up and you can make the best tambuli, and I think that's pretty interesting. Yeah, so what's the next one?
No, I think I want you to. Raghu requested a song.
Oh, sure.
Ache Mane Subbamma is just for fun, so I don't consider that as. I mean.
So, do you guys have any specific requests? Any requests? So I think I can try. Oh, so Agam has a request. So hi Agam.
Hi.
So here we have Agam, who has been a wonderful spectator, and so okay, maybe I can sing Hosabalige Nee Joteyade, which most of you might have heard. And
Meanwhile, I have this Marvin Midi. It's mango pickle. So it's a appe midi from my mom made this and sent it to me. It's wonderful, and we'll talk about it later. But this is next tambuli. I'm just gonna chop while he actually sings.
La la la. ಹೊಸ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಜೊತೆಯಾದೆ, ಹೊಸ ಆನಂದ ನೀನೆಂದು ತಂದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಜೊತೆಯಾದೆ, ಹೊಸ ಆನಂದ ನೀನೆಂದು ತಂದೆ. ಹೊಸ ರಾಗ, ಹೊಸ ತಾಳ, ಹೊಸ ಭಾವಗೀತೆ ನೀನಾದೆ. ಹೊಸ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಜೊತೆಯಾದೆ, ಹೊಸ ಆನಂದ ನೀನೆಂದು ತಂದೆ. ನಸು ನಾಚಿದಾಗ ಮೊಗವು, ಕೆಂಪಾದ ಹೂವು, ನಡೆವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನ ನಡುವು, ಲತೆಯಂತೆ ಆಡೋ ಚೆಲುವು, ಕಣ್ತುಂಬ
ಬಾನಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದು ಹೊಸ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಜೊತೆಯಾದೆ ಹೊಸ ಆನಂದ ನೀನೆಂದು ತಂದೆ ಹೊಸ ರಾಗ ಹೊಸ ತಾಳ ಹೊಸ ಭಾವಗೀತೆಯು ನೀನಾದೆ ಲರರಾರಿರಾರರಾರ ಲರರಾರಿ ದರರಾರ ಲರರಾರಿ ತರರಾರ. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Sakkat.
Amazing.
Thank
Super.
you.
So, oh, thank you, Adam. So now, like I said, that was Marvin Midi, the mango pickle, appe midi. That's very famous type of appe variety. And if you make pickle, and you can store it for like years. Probably this mango pickle that I showed you,
Right.
at least 5 years old. So my mom gave it to me, and
Nice.
they are like safe, and it has a very great aroma, very aromatic, delicious, and you can make tambli out of it. And I should thank my cousin Suparna. She gave me this recipe. Though my mom used to make it back home, but I have kind of forgotten this. And when I told about this tambuli, and she actually told me that why don't you try Marvin Midi tambli, and it tastes great and lots of
Nice.
flavor in it. And for this, I'm not adding any spices because this have like salt, spice, and sourness. Everything is there, and it takes very little buttermilk as well. So
Nice.
I added some coconut and
Okay.
the chopped mango pickle and some water. Can you please stay? And I'm using my Indian mixie because I don't want to hurt her. So, but I'm kind of, ditching her because ever since my Ace Plus is here, that is rocking in my kitchen. But yeah, I still wanna.
Yeah, she is madly in love with this Ace Plus.
And thanks to
I think
Raghu and Kripa and some of the few folks in our friends group and Swati. And this is the problem with my Indian mixie. When there is a lot of water, it just spills, which I really don't like it. So first you need to grind one round without adding water. I'm sorry. Is Karthik watching? Hi Karthik. So he doesn't like messy stuff, and hi Suman. This is good, and you saw the difference. I'm not trying to compare anything here, but my blender, it worked great for me, unattended and quicker and less messy. So you saw things just how.
Oh, that was the demo for.
No, not
Insta.
really, but
So
that's,
this is
that's the
almost
reality.
like an ad for instant Ace blender.
No, let's have it another, yeah. I mean, Raghu has been a great inspiration. So he bought it, and Uma and Raghu, they have, in a couple of days, they came up with great stuff, and I just could not wait. And I had some appreciation from my office, I mean, my work, and I had $100 card, and I know I didn't have to this buying didn't have to go through my husband's approval.
Oh.
I mean, not that he ever denies, but yeah, I just bought it without. And this is good.
So we had white, green, now red.
Can you show this too?
And this one I'm gonna put a very little yogurt because the mango pickle has the sourness and spicy, and I have not added any
Nice.
spicy or salt because it's a pickle, has lots of salt in it, so I don't wanna use any extra salt. So this is looking great. I'm good with it. And how come that is salt? Can you please?
I don't know if you do it.
No, baby. So now our third tambali is ready. So let's. I think we have time. So the fourth one, a very special one. So this is the ingredient. So this is a Mangalore Sauta or dosa kai. It's seeds along with some pulp because I just made sambar today. and I got this fresh pulp as well. But this tumbli tastes really good. And it's like if you have a dosakai or mangalore sauté, it's like double dhamaka. So you can make 2 dishes out of it. That's the beauty about our Indian cooking, and especially these have passed from generation to generation, right? So we make sure that nothing gets wasted. One thing. Second thing is you get the max benefit out of any specific veggie or a fruit, right? So coming to the seeds, if you want to just do sautekai sambar and then tumbli, yeah, you'll be done on the same day. But if you want to store it, what I would do is just wash it thoroughly, remove all the pulp, and just the seeds, just spray it on a cheesecloth or a paper towel, and then sun dry it for a day. If you are in a winter, just even the oven will do, and then store it.
Right.
And you can do the tumbli anytime you want, right? So this and also another thing to remember is some of them are bittery. So before making tumbli, just taste it, so how it is looking. So now without
and don't throw the dosekai just to get the tirlu out of it.
Some of them are bittery. So before making tumbli, so that's why Agam wanted to see in the other laptop. So my husband is telling that just to make tumbli, do not throw dosakai, just make use of it. Thank you, great suggestion. So okay, now without wasting time, I am gonna add the pulp here, some grated coconut. Again, without saying it goes. And for this, I will add just a couple of peppers. It gives a great flavor. A pepper and green chilies.
Green chilies.
So this will be really watery, like a rasam consistency. Okay, and then first let me add water and blend it.
Nice.
I can add salt.
Salt.
Salt. Would you like to go through the comment and
Yes.
blend it?
So Sahana says, hi Shubha.
Hi Sahana. Sahana is my great friend, so we live in like 4 or 5 houses after. So, yeah.
Suman says, hi Shubha.
Hi Suman.
Deepthi says, hey Tambuli Queen.
Hi Deepthi. I'm still learning a lot from you, so you guys are great inspirational. I have to mention this Satvik group. Like I'm learning a lot, and people are very enthusiastic, and they're posting healthy and easy recipes. So I must thank everybody, and especially Deepthi, Uma, and many more people. I can't mention everyone's name, but I'm really thankful. Okay, so. It doesn't need 20 seconds. I just let it run for longer. So this is good, done. So you see here there is no traces of seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, if the seeds are not very tender, I would recommend first you just grind the seeds alone and then filter it.
Right.
So that you don't get that residues.
Right.
This is great, I think.
Wow.
So see this consistency. Let me just take a spoon quickly. Just little watery, and this is a rasam consistency. Doesn't need a lot of yogurt though, but just this can be just had as a rasam, or you can drink it. Tastes really, really very soothing, very, very soothing.
Wow.
Don't waste the peel or pulp. Do something.
So this is the one that I like to try it as a soup.
Yeah, definitely sure. And would you like tempering for it or not? Okay. So now for these two together, I'll do a ghee tempering. So just have some ghee heating here. And mustard seeds, great source of iron. So Indian cooking, especially tempering, has a lot of
Yeah. So it's a very integral part
Integral
of
part
most
of
of the
cooking.
dishes that we have.
right.
So Shubha, while that
Mm-hmm.
pops,
Yeah.
so who was your first cook teacher? So whom did you learn cooking from, and how was your first cooking experience?
Actually, it's my grandma.
Mhm.
I mean, of course, my mom, but before that, my father's mom, my
Mhm.
Dodama,
Mhm.
grandma. She was a great cook, and
Mhm.
moreover, she always encouraged kids to cook. Right? She was a
Nice.
diabetic, and she would eat ragi dosa every night.
Wow. Okay.
And she would let me. I still remember doing ragi dosa when I was in first grade, and
Mhm.
of course with like it's Australia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and all sort of shapes. But she always let me do it, and she would. And dosa would always, when I make it, it's never comes out great, or
Mhm.
Of course, I was just a 6-year-old kid.
Right.
So and it would be all broken,
Mhm.
but she had never said even once that it's broken or anything. Rather, she would say that after you eat anyway, it's gonna be. I mean, you break and eat anyway, right? So it doesn't matter. So
Mhm. Nice.
yeah, so he really encouraged me cooking. So this is a ghee tempering that goes here, very
Nice.
light tempering, and then here I have. That's for Marvin Midi Tambuli. So I'm just gently gonna mix it. Actually, I forgot curd chili to this, but I can add it later when I'm making the.
Wow.
So our 4 are done. I think we gotta rush up a bit.
My
And
mouth
wait.
is already watering. So we are already done with 4 of them.
And
So
let's
now-
go. I'm just without delaying much. Let's go real quick now.
Sure.
So next will be kothambari tambli, that is coriander seeds. So
Mhm.
great summer cooler,
Wow.
and it cools your body if you have eaten a lot of spicy and heat inducing stuffs. So this is definitely great.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if soaking is required, but my mom always does that. So
Mhm.
I soaked it. So just add the soaked here. Soaked coriander seeds and just 1 broken red chili,
Mm-hmm.
some grated coconut.
Mm-hmm.
Because I have lot planned, I'm gonna reduce the quantity, so
Sure,
I
sure.
added very little green chili.
Yes.
Coconut here. That's good. Now I'm just gonna blend it. Actually, I'll blend with the coconut. The yogurt, so it saves time. And
Nice.
right, so. And this one I'm making it very mild. I don't want it spicy. So any tambuli, make sure that it's not very spicy, greasy, and you can increase the blend speed setting. Great. You see, I had added a lot of water,
Mm-hmm.
very less quantity. Very less coconut, but
Mhm. Wow.
very nicely grinded. So my 5th tambuli is ready.
Very good.
Can you just help me?
Sure.
So this is good. So our 5th is done. So next one is ajwain. This is from my garden.
Mm-hmm.
Ajwain, so you must have heard of the great herb. Lots of medicinal property. While growing up, I don't remember taking any cold or fever medications. Always my mom, she would just put it on the stove, Yeah, sorry, in this way. So just put it on tawa, preheated tawa. It just fills a bit, and then just squeeze it.
Yeah.
The juice, put some honey. Okay, so
Wow.
gold is gone. This is gone, and this needs a little bit of sorting because it has that pungent flavor. Roughly chop it. You don't need a lot of it. Just 2 big leaves are good. It's
She
great.
just does
Yeah.
it so effortlessly. I think we should start a season of MasterChef with Shubha.
I'm not there yet, but yeah, I'm definitely learning. So real quick, so I'm gonna heat a kadai, small kadai. Ghee tastes best for this, so I add just a little bit of ghee and let the ghee heat up. And meanwhile, I think while that is happening, we can do another tambali, curry leaves tambali. Let's
Yeah,
so
sure.
can you attend this so
Yes.
this won't be burned? And just take this and chop it.
Sure.
I mean, saute it. So curry leaves tambli is my next one after that. But while that is happening, it needs to sort a bit, and we need little bit. Hold on, jeera and just little bit of pepper.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, just let's saute it
Right.
until it shrinks and sweats. And this is curry leaves. Next will be curry leaves. So every Indian pantry will have this thing. I mean, definitely our South Indian cooking especially is incomplete without adding this for tempering. And this great, it has a lot of medicinal benefits. But apparently, you temper it, but people tend to just keep it in the side. No one wants to, chew it and consume it, right? So it's great for hair and skin, and for diabetes, it's really great. So it really helps in lowering the blood sugar, and incorporate in your diet, and it's great. So it's very hard for my family, to make. Whenever I put it in the tempering, they never eat this. So this is the best way. What I do is I just do a tambuli. So optionally, you can just salt it in the ghee, but I try to just use it as is without altering much. It's always good when Mother Nature gives you, just eat directly from Mother Nature without much alteration. So this one I'm just gonna do as is. So
What's happening with the tambali here?
So as you can see here, I'm just trying to sort it a bit with all the jeera and pepper that she put. Slowly reducing in volume, and as you can see, the aroma of it is coming out really well. I'm just trying to keep her dish all intact, not screwing it up.
So curry leaves, so just added 2 strings. Be generous because more the better, the healthier.
So does this look?
Yeah,
fine?
that's good. That's done. You can just turn off the stove and keep it for.
Great.
It needs to cool down a bit before I put it in my
Great.
grinder. So this is again same thing. Curry leaves 2 strings, some grated coconut, and I'm gonna use my curd chili. So Sentige Mentsu gives a great flavor for this recipe. So just gonna put these, maybe couple of them, and this has salt in it. So I'm just gonna keep put very little salt here. So this is good. Now this time I'm just gonna run without any water.
Yes.
So it won't be a
Lesson learned.
Yeah, lesson learned. So, and you can also add some jeera here, but I think. And Ajaya always, he doesn't like eating the curry leaves, and so is my father-in-law. Every time he finishes his dinner, I say, Mama, curry leaves are in the side, you have to eat it. But he denies, but this is a great way So now I'm gonna add some
Butter milk. Nice.
because I reduced the quantity, I'm not adding a lot of water.
Wow.
No, but I still need some water. See, this is the thing. See, this needs a little bit of trial and adding, opening the lid. This is great for diabetic. So you can even make chutney powder. So what I do is I just when I have an excess.
What are the
of-
medicinal properties of
I told
Karagad?
about this. This is great for hair, nail, skin. I don't know about nail, but hair and skin for sure, and diabetic friendly. So it helps to lower the blood sugar.
Nice.
So it's great.
Maybe a bit of this and water.
Yeah. Thank you.
Vaishali is saying it's a lovely show.
Thank you, Vaishali.
Usha ma'am is saying aha. Vinita is
Thank
saying
you,
super
Usha.
Kaneshubha.
Hi, Vinita. How are you? So now my my
Uma is saying wow, awesome voice Sachin.
Thank you.
Nandini ma'am is saying superb.
Hi Nandini, so I have your son here, so with me helping, and he's entertaining us a lot, and tolerating with all my experiments, and he's been a great.
Well, I made a deal with her that I'm going to be the host if all the tambuli only I'm going to eat.
Only you're gonna eat. So my husband can eat just one kadla tumbli, that's it. So rest all for you only. So this ajwain seeds, it's also called dodpatra in Kannada. I think Tamil it's called karpura vali.
Oh, okay.
Karpura vali, and also called Mexican mint.
Wow.
It's a great for indigestion. I mean, great remedy for indigestion. And if you have a nausea, also it kind of helps. And
Pretty good.
overall, it's very good for
It also
cough,
reduces
as-
fever, right?
It really cold and this one. So the juice just sort this leaf on a preheated tawa.
Okay.
It's
The essence of it comes out.
correct, and then you just squeeze a juice
Yeah.
and just put some honey and then take it. A great remedy for cold and cough. And
Wow.
asthma patients, if they take it on a regular basis, it can. It is said in Ayurveda that it can really.
Sachin is getting awesome reviews for his singing.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So maybe
Everyone
while
says you're sounding like Sonu Nigam. Suman says Karthik is saying that kitchen with the professional background music is perfect.
Hi Karthik.
So, Karthik, what do you think?
Karthik is thinking a lot now, so he might be not liking my messy kitchen, but I'm trying my best to.
Yeah. So Samastita is saying that I don't eat yogurt or buttermilk at all, so I'm gonna try these now. Soumya Rao is saying hi Shubha, great
Hi
going.
Soumya.
Manjula Prashant is saying Shubha, you're great.
Hi Manjula.
Uma is saying that now you're finding lot of flaws with Indian mixer.
Oh no, that was not intentional. This is still close to my heart. I mean, that's not an intentional, but I really can't help but to prize my new toy in my
Yeah.
kitchen.
Yeah,
So,
it's
yeah.
always the new toy that looks good.
Okay, why?
Uma says, we want to see Mr. Ajay live cooking soon. That's not gonna happen.
Ajay wants to be in the background and his wife takes all the credit. So most of my kitchen are from my husband. So
No.
Yeah, and Ajay is doing a wonderful job with the camera and dealing with all the technical
So what's happening
parts.
here?
here, yeah, I have this homegrown tomato, raw
Wow.
tomato, and I'm gonna make tambuli out of it. It tastes really good, but it needs some sorting. And if anyone
Yes.
wants Sachin to sing, please make a request. While
Yes.
real quick, I'm gonna start it. I think I need to really speed up and then fight. Okay, this is.
So, guys, any requests? I can try to sing that.
So
If
Deepti
my
is
mom
saying
is
that
watching, my mom and dad.
yes, your mom is watching.
Hi, Amma.
Your father-in-law and
Hi, Mama.
mother-in-law
Hi, Atte.
watching.
They are more excited than me, actually. So, my father-in-law, he set up his Facebook this morning and he was like so excited. My wonderful in-laws, and they have been always great and tolerating with all my experiments in the kitchen. So this needs some time to
More
start.
tolerating than the husband.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, no, but husband has a great tolerance level in my house.
So Shubha, I forgot to ask. So, what do you eat this with?
Oh yeah, that's the great point. Great question.
Mm-hmm.
So we should have mentioned it in the first place, but yeah, I just forgot.
So,
Typically it is a great side dish for rice.
okay.
Eaten with rice, typically.
Mhm.
But like I said, it's a very good coolant and perfect summer friendly recipe. You can just drink it as a buttermilk. Like make it really, put more buttermilk and then just drink it like a medicated buttermilk.
Right.
Let's put it that way.
I think we just.
No, this needs more sorting because it's a raw tomato. So.
Yeah.
And or right in the night time, right? Say for example, yesterday we all overate. So Varamahalakshmi feast at my friend's house, and yeah, my friend Suman. So she made delicious festival platter. So overate and dinner you want to skip it, for example. Then
Right.
just make this and have it as a soup. So it has everything. Yogurt is a great probiotic.
Right.
So yeah, typically it is used. I mean, it's a rice side dish, but you can have it as a soup. And another thing next would be my menthya tambuli. It's a fenugreek seeds tambuli. That goes very well with ragi ball.
So, Raghu Rayasam is asking if you can kindly sing Anisutide song.
Okay.
Okay, meanwhile, you just look for the lyrics, then I will blend this Divine Tambuli real quick. When I have my this blender very Ajwain tambli is ready.
Wow.
It's great flavor actually. As you start, the entire house, the aroma of the patrai, it's great.
The Gama Gama is
Great. That is a versatile. It's so versatile. Tambuli is very versatile. You can just mix and match with very easily available.
especially when the stomach is upset. This is
Yeah, this is great for it's a great digestion.
Yeah.
aid.
So we had a request. So
You can take time while I.
ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಎಂದು ನೀನೇನೆ ನನ್ನವಳೆಂದು ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಬಂದವಳೆಂದು ಆಹ ಎಂಥ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಓವೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಎಂದು ನೀನೇನೆ ನನ್ನವಳೆಂದು ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗಿ ಬಂದವಳೆಂದು ಆಹ ಎಂಥ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ Thank you.
one of the most eligible bachelors in New Jersey.
No, not yet. So he needs to study.
So I'm still doing my PhD right now, so I think
Youngest PhD student, probably, yeah, right out of his college. He was asked to come here and study. I mean, he is like a
Child prodigy.
child prodigy. So he acted in movies, Kannada serials, and sang in reality shows, bagged the prizes, and still a very humble human being. And hats off to his parents and grandparents for,
So is Shubha and Ajaya. They're
No, don't say. Then it becomes mutual. Sorry.
no. I mean, I really mean it.
Ajaya Swami.
And I also sometimes say it because she makes wonderful akiratis for me.
Oh yeah, I mean, that is how the songs come out of my kitchen, because I say, okay, if you sing this song, Akirati tomorrow breakfast. That's his favorite. So Ajay, you want to show my next tempering? It's a butter tempering. For all these three curry leaves, ajwain and what was this?
Midi.
Marvin.
Marvin
No,
midi.
this is Marvin midi. What was this? I forgot. Okay, let me think. Oh, coriander seeds,
Coriander,
tumbli.
yes.
So all of this I'll give a butter-based benne, butter tempering. I just use a split curd chili and regular my ingredients. Some jeera, some cumin seeds, and optionally some urad dal, mix and mash. No specific thing. And for this, I'm using a little bit of hing. For some of them I don't want, but this ajwain is a very great, it's very strong pungent flavor. So if you don't like it, that too much of flavor, just add a little bit of hing. It takes away that, basically hing flavor will dominate, and it makes it.
Yeah, generally you don't use hingu.
Yeah, I don't use at all
Tempering
in tambuli recipes. Hing is never a tempering. Usually, typically it is not. At least in my household, but I'm not very knowledgeable about why it is not. And this SSP hing is great. So came from India. Sachin got it. And thanks to Nandini for sending me that. So this tempering is ready.
Wow.
Add a little bit of. So
There is so much of request for Sachin.
oh my God! I think now cooking show to singing show. Please go ahead. So and just look for a request. Meanwhile, my tomato tambuli, raw tomatoes started with little bit of cumin seeds, and I'm gonna add.
Yeah, we should definitely do justice to Sachin by hosting his own
Definitely, but definitely soon.
live show.
But
We are going to make that happen.
some, as usual, grated coconut, little bit of salt, and water, buttermilk. This actually you can make it like a raita, and when you make pulav and all that, this tomato tambli goes very well. It tastes very great.
I also like it with tangy. What's happening here?
It's shunti tambli, ginger tambli. Salt with little bit of ghee, and especially in this infection time, try to consume more ginger because it's a great immunity booster. Even in Ayurveda, they say that you have to consume ginger in your daily diet because it's very good. So this is shunti tambli, and this is good. It won't take 50 seconds. We can just stop it. So this is ready. Can you just sort my ginger, please?
Yes.
Is there a song request for Sachin?
Yes.
There are good number of song
Okay, I
requests.
think Sachin is
Maybe I
rocking
can
the show.
sort and
My tomato tumbler is ready. And yogurt is a great probiotic. So if you don't like to eat curd, and at least buttermilk is great to consume. If not in this form, with all the masala, mild masala, it tastes great. Just great. So next will be shunti, ginger tambuli. It's really fast. So yeah, I think Ginger you can just use raw, but if you don't like it, salt it a bit. It gives a different flavor. And for Shundi Tambuli, I'm just starting with like little bit of jeera and just some pepper.
So you have to add it just when the shunti is almost
Right.
ready.
Good. Okay. Now Sachin can sing. So while
Sure.
I take care of this.
So, Mrs. Sahana had a request that some song from Amrita Varshini, the film Amrita Varshini. So this is one of my favorite songs from that movie. ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಈ ತಂಪಿನ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ನಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಈ ತಂಪಿನ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೃದಯದ ತಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌನವೇ ರಾಗವು ಉಸಿರೇ ತಾಳವು ನಿನ್ನ ಈ ನಗೆಯ ಸವಿಶ್ರುತಿಯಲ್ಲಿಯೋ ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಈ ತಂಪಿನ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ನಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ ದಿನ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣ ಚಿನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಾಡಲಿ ಕುಣಿಸಿರುವೆ ಮನ ಮನ ನಗೋತ್ತರ ಕಣ್ಣಂಚಲಿ ನಗಿಸಿರುವೆ ಒಲವೇ ಒಲವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ನಲಿವೋದೆ ವರವೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತ ನಾನಲಿವೆ ಒಲವೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಗೆಲುವೊಂದೇ ಬಲವೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತ ನಾ ಬರಿವೆ ನನ್ನ ಎದೆಯೊಳಗಿನ ಸ್ವರ ನುಡಿಸುವ ಕೈಗಳೇ ನಿನದು ನಿನ್ನ ಕೈಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಕೈ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಜಗವು ಕೊಳ್ಳು ಮನಸ್ಸು ನನ್ನದು ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಈ ತಂಪಿನ ಅಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ನಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ನಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ
Love you, man.
Great.
Thank you.
So now there is a request that I forgot, probably it is Vasudha or Manjula, I forgot the name, but they want a song from your original. So anything that was like not
Okay.
from a movie or anything, probably it's your own creation. I mean anything like
Okay.
maybe the one that you Jagadodharana, you can sing a couple of lines.
Okay, sure.
Great. So just think about that. Meanwhile,
Sure.
I'll just finish off this. This is ginger tambuli. Like I said, great great for digestion,
Wow. Okay.
immunity booster,
Mhm.
and great for bad throat, cough, cold. So just doing that. Little bit of salt, and because ginger is hot, just add very less. I mean, you can actually altogether skip green chili or red chili usage, but I added just one. I think I added one. Yeah, I did. So water.
Wow.
This kind of drinking. I mean, that's very juice consistency. So I'm making it and then blend.
Wow, I think this is a wonderful set of 10.
Sadanand is complimenting that Ajay Kumar is a good cameraman. Okay, thank you Sadanand for praising my husband, but I know you don't want to mention my name, but that's okay. I'll talk to you offline. And Shravani is telling great singing Sachin. Hi Shravani. And
Hi,
Soumya
thank
is
you.
telling amazing rendition. Hi Soumya, thanks from Sachin.
Thank
And
you.
Sri Vidya saying melodious. And it seems Sahana wants the song from Amrita Vashini. Okay, it's done. And Deepthi says, I know why Tambuli is more delicious. And Sahana wants Minchagi Ninu Baralu. Vaishali saying super singing. Yeah, the cucumber seeds. Yeah, you gotta check before you do Tambuli because it tastes bittery. Anisutide is done. And it seems Karthik is telling that Panipuri is the essence of great Tambuli. Yes, Karthik, next time. So experiment on you. Praveen is saying that cameraman is doing a great job. Praveen, I know that you want to mention just Ajaya. That's okay. Deepthi, okay. Okay, when I tried Moussate, it becomes Kahi. Not sure what did I do wrong. Is that for, I don't know which one she started.
I think it was probably for Dodpatra.
Okay, hi Chetana, nice to see you here. So, Chetana is my hostel friend. And oh, hi Jane. Yeah, Jane is my very good friend here, so walking friend. And she says she didn't know so many Tambuli recipes. And you are welcome for today's lunch here. Sachin, can you turn off the stove?
Yes.
And Uma. Uma is telling that I'm just advertising my Insta is, yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, wait, we have to really see how many is gonna, this one. And then Nandini saying that it's Dodpatre, that's correct, Ajwain leaf, Dodpatre from my garden. It just grows very abundant. And Majge looks so good, thank you Deepthi. And Nandini says, okay, they didn't know so many Tambulis you're making. Okay, and Deepthi, yes, please buy it. You are very close. And Mavin Midi, interesting, looks yum. Yeah, it's full of flavor. Mavin Midi Tambuli looks really good. So let's. This is Shunti ginger Tambuli. It's ready.
Wow.
Almost on. I'm really rushing. Okay, I think Sachin you can send Jagodudharana.
I think this is another one that I like to have generally as a soup or a juice, right? So
Next one is
Jagadodharana Adisidale Shodha Jagadodharana Jagadodharana Parvasu Devana Jagadodharana Jagadodharana Maganendu ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಸುಗುಣಾಂತರಂಗನ ಅಡಿಸಿದಳು ಯಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷನ ಪರವಾಸುದೇವನ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಅಳಿಸಿದಳಿ ಶೋಧ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರನ. Thank you.
great. So, okay, great singing, Sachin, and thank you so much.
So
And,
what do we have next?
So next will be like this methi seeds.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, it's great for
Coolant.
methi is very tambu. I mean, it's
Yeah.
a great coolant,
Yes.
of course, and it's great for diabetic, and it's lots of fiber. And for diabetic people, can actually just powder it and take it every morning in the empty stomach. It really helps to lower
Yeah.
their blood sugar because it has lots of and also it helps with stomach upset.
Yes.
And other stuff. I think most Indian herbs and seeds are great for any sort of stomach upset. So this tambuli you can make it in two different ways. One is hasi, means raw. You are not gonna saute it. This is soaked seeds for an hour. I'm doing this way, but you can also do saute it and with little bit of jeera and then grind it with coconut. But this is my favorite. It's also because this tambuli goes very well with ragi mudde, the finger millet balls. So it's typically in some part of Karnataka they make this menthya tambuli as a side dish for ragi mudde. So I have planned some ragi mudde for you. That is why I'm trying this way. So soaked seed, it's great for diabetic and also for overall well-being. Lot of people what they do is they just soak just a few seeds in the night in the water. Morning you may just keep the seeds away. I mean, it's really bittering, but drink the water. It's great for overall immunity and digestion and much more. So soaked seeds goes here. Can you fit some this way? Yeah. And then grated coconut. My homegrown green chili. This is because a side dish for ragi mudde. I'm making it little spicy.
Use one or two.
So this is the Italian chili from my garden. Tastes so great.
It's like jeeri mensu.
It's like in Kannada we call jeerige mensu. Like all it needs is like 1 or 2 chili, but it's very hot. But when you make chutney or any dish out of it, wonderful flavor. I'm just adding one of this because tambuli is not supposed to be this spicy, but I'm giving you as a side dish for ragi mudde. So that is why I'm making it a little more spicier, and also I'll make this little thicker because you need to be able to
dip
and eat. So I'm adding more. I made a little more coconut, and I'm gonna add thick yogurt. I'm not gonna blend with the yogurt here. Okay, thank you for the water. Some salt. Okay. And oops. Tambuli. So we did it. Yeah, just maybe 15 minutes more. But that's because your singing took.
Yes. So I think it's so quick, and I think this is extraordinarily fast. Almost 10 tambulis within an hour. So as you can calculate, each tambuli just takes 5 minutes if you have all the ingredients. And I think that's a wonderful thing because you can keep doing this all the time whenever you don't have time.
I'm adding thick yogurt here because I just want the thicker consistency for ragi mudde. It didn't come that thick. Typically it needs to be grinded with little less water. But I think I poured a little more water, but that's okay. Regardless, it tastes great.
Nice.
This is good. And the final tempering, I have some ghee here. And show all of these.
Wow. Woohoo! I think
so. Final tempering. I'm gonna use dry red chili for this tempering.
Is this with ghee or
yeah, this
butter?
is ghee. Yeah, this is ghee. So we tried like coconut oil tempering, butter tempering, and ghee tempering. Typically in my house I use ghee and butter, and for very few I use coconut oil. But coconut oil equally tastes great. So my mom and my husband's parents, my in-laws too. Originally we are all from south part of Karnataka, Karavali. So lots of grated coconut and coconut oil is like must in our pantries, and it's
Yes.
great for health too. Okay, my tempering is done. All 10 tambalis are ready. So now Sachin has been hungry because I didn't give him breakfast. So because I was busy with my,
Oh my God.
setting up my kitchen. So I have the sambar, dosakai sambar, sautakai sambar, and a ragi mudde. Sachin said he loves ghee, so I'm just gonna
Wow.
put some ghee for him.
Even I like it.
Yeah, you love ghee, I know, baby. I'm gonna give you as well. So I have some rice and this one ragi mudde, and this goes. I'm gonna have this as a side. This is a menthya tambuli. It can be made little thicker, but mine become little watery. But regardless, tastes great. So it's a side dish for ragi mudde, and I don't have enough space in my this one, so I will just add a couple of tambuli for him to. This is ajwain tambuli. Tastes great with this red mata rice. And I have some room for. So you said you have not tried salt. I mean the seeds tambuli, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna add that too here.
You can use.
Yeah, I can use. This is South Bija tambuli.
Wow.
Seeds, cucumber seeds tambuli.
Mm-hmm.
And Sachin is gonna enjoy this meal today. And
Oh my God.
for next serving, you can just try
Yes,
and enjoy
sure.
all the varieties here. Actually, I was also planning for mint tambuli, but I'm running out of time.
So
But
can you tell our viewers what are the other tambulis that
yes,
people can try?
yeah, there are other many varieties you can try. One great is like pomegranate peel. So it's great for if you have when you have a diarrhea or any stomach upset, pomegranate peel works wonder. So when you have a pomegranate, just peel it. Don't discard the peel. Just sun dry it and store it in mine just recently got over, so I don't have it. So store it in a airtight container, and you can just salt with some ghee and then grind with coconut and then do tambuli. And then another one is watermelon rind, but watermelon rind is as per Ayurveda it is heat generating agent, so I'm not a very big fan to you, but I have heard people
For
also
tambuli.
for tambuli, yeah, but people do make tambuli out of it.
I see.
That one, and the other one is I think palak. Spinach is very common, so spinach tambuli tastes really great and great soupy. It's a soup. Kind of.
Vandelaga coffee
In
soup.
Brahmi. Vandalaga is a Brahmi. You can make Brahmi. Unfortunately, I don't have it, but a friend of mine in another group, and she offered me to.
Give
That
the
Anupama,
cookies.
yeah, she said she's gonna give me some. And what else? In Basle Soppu, Malabar spinach, same thing. Just saute it in ghee, add some jeera, and grind with coconut.
So you want to
Wow.
show us all the tambulis to just
Yes,
to wrap
I
up the
think-
show?
Yeah, sure. Yep.
As you can
You
see,
wanna-
this is one of the most colorful set of tambulis that we have today, all done and prepared by Shubha, and I think it looks, smells, and I'm sure it tastes amazing. So, first of all, big round of applause to Shubha for a great job.
And
And-
thanks once again for Satvik Group for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And Uma, Deepthi, and many more people are. Raghu does not, I don't think he cooks. I'm talking about cooking. So, Uma, Deepthi, and Preeti, and Sangeeta. There are many more people. Asha, Anand. and Suman Ganesh, Sahana Jain. Like I just can't name very like, everybody. They have been a great
And also
inspiration.
thanks to Ajaya for being a wonderful cameraman, and he helped us with this entire show being.
And thanks to Sachin for awesome singing and
Thank you.
fantastic hosting.
And thanks to Agam for being very patient and yeah, he was watching the show.
Been a wonderful kid.
Wonderful kid today at this time. So
So thank you
I
everyone.
can't
everybody.
wait to taste these tambolis, and I think you guys should go to your kitchens and start doing tambolis, and I think you guys should enjoy it too.
And one last thing, there are a lot of still song requests.
Mhm.
Do you want to wrap with one song? Like any
Sure.
song, there are a lot of requests, but I don't know which one in specific you want to. I think that is.
Let's take a look.
Minchagi Neenu Barlu, there is a request.
Okay, maybe I can sing
Yeah,
that.
just sing that.
Or any other Devarnama.
Devanama is good.
Okay, so
Okay, show and tell all the names. So let's do that. Tambuli.
yes.
There is one. So this is a mango pickle tambuli, Mavin midi tambuli. So very simple, just grinded pickle. And this one is a saute bija, that is a cucumber seeds tambuli. And this one was it's a kadle tambuli. It's a hasi kadle tambuli. And this is curry leaves tambuli. Curry leaves tambuli. And this is ajwain dodpatre. And this is mentya. This is probably I need to taste now. They look like so shunti, I think. Oh, I kind of forgot. And this one was coriander seeds tamboli. Very
Okay.
simple. This
Wow.
yeah, shunti, I did, right? Okay. And amla. I'm sorry. This one is amla tamboli. Nelikai tamboli. Yeah. So that's we have 10 varieties. Thank you.
Bye.
So, Devarnama or
Yeah, Devarnama.
Okay. ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಬರಿದೆ ಮಾತೆಕಿನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ಪೇಳುವೆನಯ್ಯ ಬರಿದೆ ಮಾತೆಕಿನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ಪೇಳುವೆನಯ್ಯ ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಣವನು ಪರರು ಬೇಡಿದರೆತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಲುಬಹುದು ಪ್ರಾಣನಾಯಕನಾದ ಆದಿಕೇಶವರಾಯ ಜಾಣ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನಡಿಯ ಬಿಡಲಾಗದು 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 ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ
Last, I want to show a man behind the camera. My
Yes,
husband
yes,
here.
yes.
So yeah, he's. So say hi, Ajaya. Thank you, everybody, for spending time with us.
What about me?
Oh yeah,
Yes,
when my
and
Agam says hi.
Agam, say hi to all.
Bye.
Awesome. So thank you all. Thank you all for coming to
And
this.
I have this broken wheat pongal,
Wow.
and you can enjoy that as a side. I mean,
That
with
goes
this-
along
with
that goes with
Tambali.
tambali. So I
Wow.
made this broken wheat and broken wheat pongal, no rice. So
So
All
wonderful.
good, sir. We have ragi ball to go with the mentha tambali and different rice to go with other tambali and dosa kai sambar. Well, so that's from Shubha's Kitchen. Anybody around Bridgewater, please feel free to stop by for taste check.
Take out.
Yeah, sure.